Hi guys, Catherine here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this simple, easy and delicious cauliflower fried rice. Cauliflower is really nutritious and very healthy for us, so I'm always excited to find new ways of incorporating it into my life. Well, as always, feel free to switch out any of the ingredients that I've used today and use whatever it is you have in your kitchen. Please let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this one. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!